Hello students, today we are going to take the numericals based on concave and convex lens. So let us take the first numerical. A 2 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Now this I have drawn a ray diagram showing this condition. The focal length is given, that is 10 centimeter. So f will be equals to plus 10 centimeter. As you can see, the principal focus is on the right hand side, so it will be plus 10 centimeter. And the object is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter. Since the object is kept at left side, so that's why the sign will be minus. So object distance will be minus 15 centimeter. H, height of the object is given 2 centimeter. And we have to find the nature, position and size of the image. Now as we can see, the image distance is 15 centimeter, so it will be placed between the f1 and 2f1. Now let us solve by using the formula 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. 1 upon f, that is 10 centimeter, 1 upon v minus 15. So 1 upon 10 is equals to 1 upon v. This will become plus, minus and minus will become plus, 1 upon 15. So 1 upon v is equals to 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 15. Taking the LCM 30. So it will be 3s and here 2s. So 1 upon 30 is equals to 1 upon v. So v is equals to 30 centimeter. Now see this is 10 and this is 10. So 2f is at 20 centimeter. So the image is formed beyond 2f2, that you can see the image is formed at 30 centimeter. Now we have to find the height of the image, which is denoted by h dash. H dash upon h is equals to v upon u. So h dash we have to find, and h is given 2 centimeter. V we have calculated just now, that is 30 centimeter upon u. U is minus 15 centimeter. Now let us solve this. This will become 2, so it becomes minus 2 into 2. So it will become h dash is equals to minus 4 centimeter. So the height of the image is 4 centimeter and minus sign indicate that this is inverted image. So the position of image is 30 centimeter. The height of the image is 4 centimeter, which is inverted, and the nature of image as we can see here is real and inverted. So we have got the answer. Position of image at 30 centimeter on the other side of the lens. Height of image 4 centimeter, which is inverted, and the nature of image is real and inverted. Now let us solve the second numerical based on convex lens. The image obtained with the convex lens is inverted and its height is 4 times the height of the object. If the focal length of the lens is 20 centimeter, calculate the object and image distance. Let us recall the diagram, ray diagram, when we have made when the object is placed in the front of convex lens. When we place the object between f1 and f2, then the image formed is real, inverted and magnified. So this is here it is written that it is height of the image is 4 times the height of the object and it is inverted. So that means the object is placed between f1 and f2. So this is the rough diagram I have drawn. So in the question it is given that h dash is equals to minus 4h, 4 times the height of the object. I have taken minus sign because the image is real and inverted. Now if the focal length is given, that is 20 centimeter. Since the principal focus is on the right hand side of the lens, that's why we consider the sign as positive, that is positive 20 centimeter. Now we have to find the object and image distance. We know the relation h dash upon h is equals to V upon U. These both are equals to magnification. So H dash is given minus 4H upon H is equals to V upon U. This will cancel. So V will be equals to minus 4U. Now we will apply the length formula. 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. F is given 20 centimeter plus 20. So we will write 1 upon 20. 1 upon V is minus 4U minus 1 upon U. So 1 upon 20 is equals to minus 1 upon 4U minus 1 upon U. Now we will take the LCM of 4U and U, that will be equals to 4U, and let us solve this. This will become minus 1 minus 4. Here it will be 1 upon 20. So 1 upon 20 is equals to minus 5 upon 4U. Now we will calculate U is equals to, we will do cross multiplication. It will be minus 5 into 20 upon 4. This will cancel. That will make it 5. So U is equals to minus 25 centimeter. So the object distance is minus 25 centimeter. That means it is 25 centimeter on the left side. Now we will calculate the image distance, that is V is equals to, minus 4U minus 4U. And V is equals to minus 4, and the value of U we have calculated is minus 25 centimeter. So we put minus 25 here. So that will be equals to 100 centimeter. So the image distance will be on the right hand side at the 100 centimeter from the lens. Now let us solve the third numerical. Again, this is based on convex lens. Now the image obtained with the convex lens is erect and its height is 4 times the height of the object. If the focal length of the lens is 20 centimeter, calculate the object and image distance. In the previous question the image was inverted, and now in this question the image is erect. Now let us recall the ray diagram. When an object is placed in the front of a convex lens, in only one condition the image formed is virtual and erect, and that condition is when the object is between focus f1 and optical center. Here you can see the image formed is virtual and erect. This is the only condition. Now in this question it is given that height of the image is 4 times the height of the object. So I have written plus 4h because the image is virtual and erect. And the focal length, as you know that the principal focus is on the right hand side, so it will be positive. So I have denoted this by plus 20 centimeter. And we know the formula H dash upon H is equals to V upon U. So H dash, that is equals to 4 times of H, 4H upon H is equals to V upon U. So this H and H will cancel. So V is equals to 4U. Now we know the formula 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. F is plus 20. So 1 upon 20 is equals to 1 upon V. That is equals to 4U minus 1 upon U. Now we'll take the LCM. So 4U and U LCM will be 4U, and it will be, when we'll solve it, it will become 1 minus 4. So 1 upon 20 is equals to minus 3 upon 4U. Now we'll calculate U is equals to, by doing the cross multiplication, minus 3 into 20, minus 3 into 20 upon 4. This will cancel, it will become 5. So U is equals to minus 15 centimeter. So the object is kept at a distance of 15 centimeter to the left of the lens. Now let us calculate the image distance. V is equals to 4U. So V is equals to 4 into minus 15 centimeter. So V is equals to 4 into minus 15 is minus 60 centimeter. So the image distance is 60 centimeter towards the left of the convex lens, and the object distance is minus 15 centimeter to on the left of the convex lens. Now let us do some question based on concave lens. An object is placed at a distance of 50 cm from a concave lens of focal length 30 cm. Find the nature and position of the image. Now this is a ray diagram which I have drawn of the concave lens. The object is placed between f1 and 2f1 and the image formed is between optical center and f1. So as you can see, the nature of image is virtual and erect here. And now in this question, the focal length object is placed at a distance of 50 cm. So since the object is placed on the left hand side of the concave lens, so therefore it will become minus 50 cm. And the principal focus of the concave lens is f1. Again it is on the left hand side, so the focal length will be also be minus 30 cm. And since the object is the image is formed on again on the left hand side, so we'll get the sign of this V is negative, and also the image will be formed between optical center and focus. That means the image will be formed between 0 to 30 cm. Let us solve this by using the formula 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. This is the lens formula. So 1 upon minus 30 is equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon minus 50 centimeter. So now we'll simplify it. 1 upon v, this minus and minus will become plus 1 upon 50. So we'll shift this side. Minus 1 upon 30 minus 1 upon 50 is equals to 1 upon v. Let us solve this. The LCM of 30 and 50 is 150. So this is minus 5 minus 3 is equals to 1 upon v. So it becomes minus 8 upon 150 is equals to 1 upon v. So now let us solve this. V is equals to minus 180 upon 5, and that will be equals to minus 18.75 centimeter. So the position of image is 18.75 centimeter towards the left side of the concave lens, and the nature of image, as we can see in the diagram, nature of image is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. Now let us solve one more numerical. An object 60 cm from a lens gives a virtual image at a distance of 20 cm in front of the lens. What is the focal length of the lens? Is the lens converging or diverging? Now in this question, we have to find whether the focal length, and then we have to decide whether the lens is converging or diverging. Now in the question it is given that the object is placed 20 cm from a lens, so u will be minus 60 cm as the object is kept on the left hand side. Now the image, a virtual image, is formed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a lens. Since it is formed in the front of a lens, so v will also be negative, and that is equals to minus 20 cm. So image is formed on the front of the lens, that is on the left hand side, so it will be minus 20 cm. Now we have to find the focal length, and if the focal length is coming positive, then we say it is a converging or convex lens, and if the focal length is negative, then we'll say it is a diverging or concave lens. Let us calculate the focal length by using the lens formula 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v. The value of v is minus 20, so minus 20, and minus 1 upon the value of u is minus 60. Now let us solve this. 1 upon f is equals to minus 1 upon 20, minus and minus will become plus 1 upon 60. So 1 upon f is equals to, take the LCM of 20 and 60, will get 60, then this will become minus 3 plus 1. So 1 upon f is equals to minus 2 upon 60. So f will be equals to minus 60 upon 2, and that is equals to minus 30 centimeter. So the focal length is 30 centimeter. Since it is negative, therefore it is a concave or diverging lens. So the lens is concave and also known as a diverging lens. Since the focal length is negative, the lens will be concave or diverging lens.